Hi, my name's Armando Orduña, and I'm the Director of Outreach Programs for Children's Museum of Houston. We're going to start off today with a fun, engaging mathematics game. It's called Pattern Sticks. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsor, ConocoPhillips, for making all of this possible. So what you'll need, just like the name implies, is some sticks. I would recommend large jumbo craft sticks, something that's easy for little hands to grab. Then some markers, or pens, crayons, pencils. That part's not so important. It's up to you and what you have lying around the house. Next, you'll need some paper. It doesn't need to be fancy looking like this. We're essentially going to make a scorecard. So what you could do is take a T-chart. A T-chart is a lowercase t. It's a vertical line down the center of the paper and a horizontal line across the top. And what you're going to do is write player 1 on one side of the T-chart and player 2 on the other side of the T-chart. So it's obviously a two-player game, and it involves a little bit of competition, but in a fun and friendly way. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to take 4 sticks. They're blank right now. Then we'll take some colorful markers, and we're going to make some patterns here. So let's go ahead and fast forward to some patterns. Now you'll notice what I have here are different types of patterns. And I would encourage you to do these different types of patterns with your children. You may need to do the first couple of them, but I think your kids will pick up pretty quickly on how to do the rest. If you look at the first one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just a repeating sequence of 5 digits. The next one, apple, orange, apple, orange, apple, orange, apple, orange, apple, orange. The next one, purple, green, red, purple, green, red, purple, green, red. And finally, red heart, blue heart, green heart, red heart, blue heart, green heart, and so on. Now, some of these are simpler patterns than others. So for example, it's only a sequence of apple, orange, that repeats. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Whereas you get to the colors and the hearts, and it's a sequence of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It really doesn't become more complex until you get to the 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I say more complex, we're really wanting to let the children understand that it's simply just a repeating sequence. Now whether it's 2 items that are repeating, 3 items that are repeating, 5 or more, it's a pattern. Things repeat. That's all a pattern is. And it's important that children understand this because they're going to use this idea of patterns and looking for them later as they get into more advanced mathematics, as well as looking into nature and other areas and disciplines such as engineering, architecture. Patterns are the foundation of so much of our lives. It's just a matter of helping our children recognize them. So let's get started. Okay, so player 1, that'll be me. Player 2, that'll be me too. And let's go ahead and get started. You take your sticks and rub them together and then toss them into the air. Now, what you'll notice is some of the sticks landed face down. One of the sticks landed face up. I count the number of sticks landing face up as a point. So, I get 1 point out of this try. Then, it goes to the second player, and they're going to do the same. And here, the second player, 2 sticks landed face down and 2 sticks landed face up. so they get 2 points. Can we cut? One, 2 points. Now, I would recommend doing this for about 1, 2, 3 times before adding up your tally and finding out who wins the game. The game itself is not the important part. That's the engagement. That's what captures the children's interest. The important part is having them understand what a pattern is and helping them to recognize patterns when they see them all around us in our everyday lives. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go outside, do some pattern sticks in the sunshine, I hope. It's a lot of fun when you have the big wide world to throw your sticks around. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.